Hi Tim. So we are at the trade show here, so it's a little bit convoluted. But anyway, I wanted to run those samples before we start. It's Friday afternoon. I have 4 parts left from you. We have the 1/4-inch big plate, 1/4-inch smaller parts, and the 3/16. We will start with the 3/16 on the double-sided G-cam, on the double-sided NS machine, sorry. We have 2 belts, 1 set from the bottom and 1 set from the top. You can set them individually. Here you need a screen because you have offsets and things like that against it. And so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to put in the material thickness for the 3/16 material. It's roughly 4.5, right? We are applying that. You see how the machine goes to that thickness automatically, give or take. Then all we are going to do is we are going to turn the conveyor belt on, the belt, and the belt. So now we are running top to bottom. Always nicely at an angle so that you catch all the edges. And this is your material, you see. I think it looks like you oscillated this before, so it has no burrs or anything like that. It just has a very sharp edge here. We are running at 0.9 meters per minute, which is about 3 feet per minute, which for stainless steel is actually quite fast. So we could also go slower, especially the parts that have a little bit of drop, like the stainless steel here on the bottom. So it's a longer machine because it's a double-sided machine, so it's 3 feet per minute. It takes a little while for the parts to come out. And of course, running a single part is always a little bit like watching paint dry, I get that. So, but in production, you probably, through a machine like this, or the parts that we just put on, you'll be running 600 to 800 parts per hour. There we go. You can see already the white line on the part, which tells we have a good radius on the top. Very smooth edge. I think you will like that. You see, it hardly removes any material from the surface, but of course it does color it differently. Corners look good, all the way around the radius, very nice edge. And the moment it releases it, you can turn it around and I'll show you the bottom edge. Same thing here, you see the white line on it, you have very good radius all the way through and so forth. So how do I get to 600-700 parts per hour? You need to look at it this way. So you're going to put on the machine like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side by side, and if you flip them actually you probably can put 6 or 7, and the part is about 2 feet in length, so you're going to run 1.5 layers per minute. At 67 parts, that's 10 per minute or 600 per hour. So now we move to those parts. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to change the thickness again. At this time 6.4, and we're going to apply that so that the machine can make that change. And then we are going to put the part on. Because this has a little bit of really bad spots on it, I'm actually even going to go a little bit slower. I'm going to go 0.7. So that's about 2 feet per minute. When you have longer parts, of course, you need to make sure that you always want to put them at an angle so that all the edges get some action. but you want to make sure that your edge doesn't hang over the side of the table, because then it would scrape and you would have to hit E-stop in order to turn it on. This machine sits very high here right now. If you look at this, it's because we had the trade show and we put it basically on beam so that we are ready to come off the truck and just plop the machines down. And again, with a part like this, you could keep on filling the table to get them. In the machine, the part makes the transition. The conveyor on this machine is always at a fixed height. The upper elements move up and down for the material thickness, and then of course you can adjust the brushes individually to make pressure. And in the machine, the part makes the transition from the rollers that are before and after the bottom belt, and that's where you need a longer part, to the shorter belt. You know, while this is running, I'm also going to while this is coming out in the back, you can already start this. This, at the length that it is long enough to run over the bottom belt. So, here, this was the burr side. I put that up. You have a radius, not sharp anymore. You can cut yourself. It is not as big as on the other parts that are burr free. But it took all the little pus and everything off, and if it wouldn't, we would have more aggressive blocks. So this is perfectly in one pass, totally deburred, so slowing the speed down makes all the sense in the world, because then you get the results that you're looking for. And then of course, this is a non-burr side. Here you have a little bit larger radius, a little bit, it's a softer edge. And on the other side you can feel that difference. None of them are sharp in any way. Both have a radius, both would paint fine. The inside contours also have a little bit less radius because the brush sees that as surface, of course. So, now we are waiting for the small part to come through. It's coming here, it didn't shift. And of those, you may not be able to run as many as you think, because if you have issues with the part shifting under the under machine, it could be that you need to run single pilot left and right of the machine. That is a little bit trial and error. But the edge quality is absolutely great. Very nice smooth radius, both sides. This had very little burr. This is the finished part in one pass, by all means. Again, this is 2 feet per minute, and we will note that on the part with the marker. So, now we go to this part. I think this part is too small for the under machine. So, what we do here is we open the hatch, we fold the table out, and now you see the conveyor here. We are going to place the part on here. It's going to make the transition onto the regular conveyor, which is in the back of the machine, underneath the top belts, and just going to run under the top belts, and it's going to deburr that part. You already oscillated it, it hardly has any burr, so we can go a little bit quicker here again. We're going to turn these on, we're going to turn these on. Sorry. And we are going to increase our speed. Let's say we are going to 40 inches a minute. So you will see the car still, making the transition to the bottom conveyor, underneath the first pressure rope, and then it will pass under the top level. There we go. And again, great smooth radius, good holes, and we'll do the other side as well, so you can see this one more time, how it makes the transition from this conveyor. This conveyor serves two purposes. It serves as a bridge over the lower belt, so that you can run small parts, but it's also the counter. It runs the other way around as counter pressure for the lower belt when the parts run through over the lower belt. And then the parts run underneath this belt, sandwiched between the rollers and this belt. So for smaller parts, single-sided operation, but the machine can combine both sizes, and is very, very flexible in regards to size of the parts. And we have run even smaller parts than this. I think you will be very pleased with those samples. I will pack this up again and get it into UPS for you at the UPS store here, so that you can see it. We originally said that, of course, that you wanted to have your name on this, so the first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to post this for you to see it either over the weekend or on Monday, and then hopefully you can make a decision so that we know what to do with this machine during the trade show. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.